Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts, and man, do we have a lot to go over today. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded 2 other Dollar General videos for you all this week. I put those up yesterday on Saturday, so if you missed out on either one of those, make sure that you go and check them out because you are not going to want to miss out on these deals. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into our new Dollar General digital coupons. Now, some of y'all may have already noticed, but we don't have a 5 off $25 digital coupon for Saturday yet. So be on the lookout for that. I would say that they will probably fix that once they realize that it's not up on the app yet. So just be on the lookout for that. But other than that, let's go ahead and jump right in. The 4 off one for the Pampers, that coupon works on the boxes that are priced at $27.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $23.95. We have a 2 off one for the Easy Ups. Those are priced at $12. After the coupon, you're going to pay $10. We also have a 3 off one for the boxes of Love's diapers. Those are priced at $17.50, so after the coupon you're going to pay $14.50. Next up, we have a 3 off one for the Old Spice deodorants. These start out at $6, so after the coupon you're going to pay $3. Alright, next up we also have a 2 off one for the Old Spice Gentleman's Blend products. Those start out at $8, so after the coupon you're going to pay $6. I'm going to pass on clipping this one for now because we do have those higher value 3 off 1 digital coupons, so I'm going to pass on that one. Moving on down, we have a 3 off one for the Old Spice body wash products. So these start out at $5.50. After the coupon you're going to pay $2.50. Fantastic deal. Next up, we have a 50-cent off one for the Pampers wipes. These are priced at $2.85. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.35. We also have a $1.50 off one for the Love's bags of diapers. Those are priced at $8. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $6.50. Then we have a 2 off one for the Pampers bags of diapers. Those start out at $11. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $9. Moving on down, we also have a 5 off 2 for the Old Spice deodorants or the body wash products. So again, the body wash, they're priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $6 for 2. I'm going to pass on clipping this one for now, just until I can see what my scenarios are going to look like for Saturday. Alright, moving on down, we have a 1 off one for the Scott bath tissue. If you want to pick up the 6 count, those are priced at $3.60. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.60. If you want to pick up the 12 count, those are priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4. Next up, we have a 1 off one for the Gain laundry products. Those are priced at $4.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. We also have a 2 off one for the Colgate toothpaste. It does work on the Max Fresh toothpaste. Those are priced at $4. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2. The Angel Soft is an older coupon from last week. We have a new 4 off one for the Chic disposable razors. Those are priced at $6.75. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. We also have a 3 off one for the Gain and the Downy fabric softeners. So those are priced at $12.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $9.95. Alright, next up we have a 4 off one for the Chic Intuition razors. So those start out at $8.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.25. Moving on down, we have a new 4 off one for the CoverGirl eye products. So if you want to pick up the 2 count eyeliner pencils, those are priced at $4.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just 95 cents, which is a fantastic deal. Next up, we have a 1 off one for the Cottonelle. If you want to pick up the 4 count mega rolls, those are priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. We also received a new 3 off 2 for the Garnier Fructis products. So if you want to pick up the shampoos or the conditioners, those are priced at $3.50 each. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4 for 2. Alright guys, next up we have another really awesome coupon here. It's a $7.50 off 2 for the STEM brand products. Now these are priced at $7 each, so after the coupon you're going to pay $6.50 for 2. Now if you haven't tried these out yet, I would highly recommend them. I was just out on the porch last week putting some flowers into some pots and getting the garden ready and all that stuff. We had a little ant trail going across the porch, so I grabbed that ant spray. I had never used it before. We had some really good deals on it last year, so I did put some back. Grabbed it and it worked perfectly. Plus, this is safe for kids and pets. And in my mind, I would think, well, that means that it's probably not going to work as well, but it worked perfectly. So if you haven't tried them, I do recommend. All right, next up, we have a 2 off 3 for the Pepsi and Mountain Dew 12 packs. These are on sale this week, 3 for $13. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $11 for 3. Right next to it, we have a 1 off 1 for the Mountain Dew 12 packs. Now, if you would just want to pick up one, they're priced at $7.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $6.50 for one. So definitely the better deal is to go ahead and clip the 2 off 3 and take advantage of that sale. Moving on down, we have a 2 off 1 for the Lysol laundry sanitizers. Those are priced at $7.75. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $5.75. Then we have a 1 off 1 for the Edge and Skintimate shave gels. Those are priced at $4.25 now. Can y'all believe that? After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.25. And then we have a 3 off 2 for the Garnier whole blends. Those are priced at $4.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50 for 2. Next up, we have a 1 off 1 for the Downy scent beads. Those start out at $5.25, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.25. Moving on down, we have a 1 off 1 for the Downy liquid fabric softeners. Those start out at $5, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. We also have a 1 off 1 for the Clorox products. Those start out at $4, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3. Now we are going to skip over a few of these here. We do have a 50-cent off one for the Hidden Valley Ranch. If you want to pick up the seasoning packets, those are priced at $2.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.75. Here we have Raid. We have a bunch of sunscreen coupons, and we are going to go ahead and clip all of these here. We have a $3.50 off for the Kingsford charcoal. So those are priced at $9.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.70. We have a 4 off 1 for the CoverGirl face products. Those are priced at $6.75, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. We have some bug spray. We have a 2 off 1 for the U by Kotex products. Those start out at $4.75, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. We also have a 3 off 2 for the Playtex and the Carefree liners. If you want to pick up the liners, those start out at $4 each, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $5 for 2. We also have this 125 off 1 for the Gold Bond products. These start out at $4.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.25. All right, now we're going to go ahead and clip all of these right here. We do have a new 2 off 1 for the Tide. Those are priced at $9.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $7.95. And we're going to go ahead and through and clip all of these. There's that 1 off 1 for the Eggo waffles. Those are priced at $3.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. We also have this 1 off 1 for the Curl Rhythm hair care products. Those are on sale this week. They start out at $4.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. We have the Philips and Miralax Arm & Hammer. Those are priced at $9.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $7.50. We have Mucinex Tide Simply, a new 2 off 1 for the Gain. We have a 2 off 1 for the Old Spice dry spray and body spray. Now these start out at $6.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. But again, I'm going to hold off just until I can take a closer look at those 3 off 1 coupons. See what all they're attaching to. Next up, we have a 2 off 1 for the Old Spice body wash. We have a 2 off 1 for the Old Spice deodorants. 2 off 1 for the lotion. All right. So again, I'm going to hold off. I'll address that in the next video. We have all of these new DG store coupons. So we want to talk about this 1 off 2 for the drumstick ice creams. Those are on sale this week, 2 for $7. We have this 1 off 1 DG store coupon plus a 1 off 1 manufacturer coupon. So that's going to leave you paying $5 for 2, which is a great deal on those drumstick ice creams. Next up, we are going to skip on down here. We did receive a 3 off 1 for the One-A-Days. Those are still pretty pricey at $10.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $7.50. We also received a new Gain coupon. It's a 5 off 30, and we will have this one until June the 17th. So we're going to have another 5 off 30 for another month. All right, we have the True Living paper towels. Those are priced at $7.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50. There's the Red Baron and the Pepsi coupon. We talked about that in yesterday's video. Here's a new thing that DG is doing. We have $5 off when you spend $15 on all Snuggle and Purex products. Now, I don't think we have any manufacturer coupons that we can stack with that right now, but man, wouldn't that be great if some popped up? So let's all cross our fingers. All right, next up, we have 50 cents off for the True Living cleaner. These start out at $3.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. We also have a 1 off 1 for the True Living foam plates, 100 count. These are priced at $3.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. Then we have a one-off one for the Believe Beauty Cosmetics. The lowest priced item that I could find other than clearance items would be the Believe Beauty makeup brushes. Those are priced at $3.50, so after the coupon you're going to pay $2.50. Alright, we're going to go ahead and clip all of these right here. We have a 50 cent off for the ibuprofen. Those are priced at $2.50, so after the coupon you're going to pay $2. And then here's that 50 cent off one for the American greeting cards. This coupon is glitching and working on the 50 cent card, so pick up one, use that coupon, and that's going to make it completely free. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and before you go, don't forget to do all the things if you haven't already. Subscribe, turn on your notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.